18-cylinder radial engine transports. From the original DC-6 model came the slightly stretched DC-6A passenger and freighter combi with a cargo door, and then an all-passenger version of that, the DC-6B, like this one. There were domestic and transoceanic versions seating up to 89 people, and it enabled something of an airline first when in 1952 Pan American launched tourist-class transatlantic services with DC-6s. There hadn't been an airliner before that Pan Am could choose to operate that had the operating economics to make possible cheaper flights across the pond. On its services to and from West Berlin's Tempelhof Airport before the Boeing 727 Trijet took over. And in their heyday, DC-6s were used also by many European and other airlines, including famously in the UK, British Eagle and Caledonian. And the operating economics of the DC-6 ensured that it still had a role to play in commercial air travel, even after the first jet airliners arrived. The US military, but they did end up in US Air Force and US Navy service.
Yeah, that as well, yeah. Who does your prop, AD?
Ground pickup, still in swan formation. And as they go down the display line, we'll soon see Tito breaking vertical in the Yak 50. And he's going to perform a full